On my way to get my morning coffee. It's good times. The life of an addict. $5 to $10 a day on coffee every day. But you know what? I don't think it's hurtful. It's not very harmful. There's worse things I could do. Like spend over an hour trying to get my GoPro to connect to the phone app. So I got this GoPro because my brother's convinced me that I need to start tracking my ADD. And I cannot get this thing to connect to the GoPro app. So today I'm going to go in and spend some time calling tech support because it's driving me crazy and I'm tired of spending time on this. And I need to go get my coffee because coffee is a priority right now. It's a priority. Oh, okay. I'm back from getting my coffee. Oh, the magic. Let the magic happen, please. Oh, thank you. Even if it's not great coffee, it's coffee, and that's the important part. So I started playing I've been playing Assassin's Creed Odyssey for a long time, and I love that game obsessively. And so going down my spiral, as I usually ADD do, I decided I want to learn how to sail because it looks so fun in the game. And so I started going down a YouTube rabbit hole and watching all these sailing people. So like my favorite, Sailing Nahoa, Ben and Ashley, I love you. And I realized it's such an awesome looking thing. Like it's a challenge, but at the same time it's relaxing. And spending time out on the ocean, I love isolating. And so this weekend I'm taking a sailing class with my brother. So he's stuck at my house with me during quarantine, and I might as well drag him into my obsessive habits anyway. So we'll see how sailing goes. Pretty excited. I will keep filming and we'll keep you guys updated. It's sailing day.
It is sailing day.
So exciting. Now we're gonna go get coffee and then drive an hour and a half to the Delta to get in a class and sit for 3 hours. Yay.
Exciting.
Okay, let's go get coffee.
Let's do it.
Let's roll.
Rolling. You know, once you start sailing, everything really takes on a new meaning, you know?
It really does. Once you're a master sailor, it's just like everything's changed.
You can't like look at normal land. What do they call them? Land lovers?
Land lovers.
Land lovers the same way. Who knows? Maybe we'll evolve after the first 2 weeks that we're out of the United States.
That's true. That's true. We'll turn
into a better species.
Yeah. Turn into nicer people who are interested in life again.
Yeah.
That'll be wonderful. San Francisco kills people.
San Francisco is harmful. I ban you, San Francisco, from doing harm to your show.
Do others.
Doing harm.
I ban you, San Francisco. I bind you.
I bind you, that's right. That's right. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
I'm excited too. Yeah. This article says LGBTQ Americans are less likely to be homeowners. Is discrimination to blame?
Interesting. No, it's because they all live in a place where you can't actually afford to buy houses.
Right. I think that's exactly it. I think it's less of that actually, and I think that it's more of the places that just so happen to become places that you can't afford to buy a house.
Yeah, that's really true. Yeah.
I don't think they put any milk in there. No.
Did they or no?
So didn't.
Oh wow.
Why is that gross? Protein coffee. Oh god.
I know, here we go. We're bumping, we're rolling, we're jiving.
We're jiving. and jive. All right, here we go.
You're good. You're alive.
I think so.
Good. Like, how do we know if it's recording?
Red light.
Oh,
Don't weird.
what happened?
This robot that they made can move in any direction at any degree.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's like moving. So weird.
Oh, wow.
It's trippy, right? I didn't know this airport still functioned.
Concord? Yeah. You know what else still functions? The Solano Drive-In.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Like, what's not more ideal for social distancing than a drive-in? Like, where you literally sit in your own little isolated, virus pod and not talk to people.
Get out of business, man.
Yeah.
Gross. I hated that. Wouldn't it be nice to grow up like at the base of that mountain?
Right? You're all this open space
I
and
know. There's probably nothing traumatic that happened.
ever.
I mean, it's called Mount Diablo. What's the worst that could happen?
Right?
Yeah.
About 30 more minutes. With a memory card, I get like 17 hours of 4K.
Oh,
So it's like,
good.
yeah.
award. It's called the Expert, and it could be this freaking I'm so like I don't know, self-conscious about everything. Like I'm so self-conscious about my upbringing.
I don't need to be in the fast track lane. Yes, I do. Going to the bridge and we're going over the fast track lane.
Living this close to power lines and that
Does it make you
caliber.
paranoid?
Well, no, I would not ever live this close to
Power lines.
power lines like that.
You're channeling the energy off of alien spaceships that are circling the Earth under clouds of darkness.
That was one time. Okay?
Oh,
These beautiful cows.
I know. Is that a catamaran? Yes, it is.
Is that a starboard?
Is that a starboard?
Catamaran? Jig?
Jib?
Yeah, same terms.
Is that a starboard catamaran jib sheet sail?
Cheap sailing?
That's a really nice one though. That's like one of the fancy ones like they have.
Ashley and Ben.
Ashley and Ben have the same catamaran. Oh my god, my friends Ashley and Ben have that.
Oh my god, I know them.
What's that one called? Tiamat? Oh, someone's a D&D nerd. That's what kind of camping spot we used to go to when I was a kid.
2 miles.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Are we gonna be taught by a... And as soon as we pulled in, they have a Prius with a Trump supporting bumper sticker on there.
Trump Nation!
Trumpisha.
I'm just gonna get through this.
I know, right?
Without political conflict.
We want this certification.
I heard there's a lot of Trump supporters in the sailing community. Here we are at the beautiful Delta Sailing School in the gorgeous Sacramento Delta. It was pretty windy, so most of the audio was crappy, but I took a little walk to check out our boat, the Hog Wild. There she is. What a gem. Quite the nautical masterpiece. Look at that. Look at that. If this building doesn't make you a sailor, nothing will.
Beautiful river with you. You probably catch me laughing a lot. That's the kind of thing that I do when I'm sailing along the beautiful river in a beautiful dream come true. Oh, I don't care about the weather, no. Let it rain, let it shine. When I'm holding your hand, I'll be feeling so grand. Everything is gonna be just fine. Oh, I would give most all that I got just to spend an hour or two just sailing along the beautiful river with you. Do-ba-da-ba-ba, do-ba-ba, da-ba-do-ba-ba-do-da-ba-da-do. Sailing along beautiful river with you.
All right, so it's now Sunday. We finished our 3-day sailing class. It was brutal. The class itself was really fun, but just like physically exhausting. You're out there in the sun all day running drills and maneuvers, which was amazing, but at the same time, the sun just drains the crap out of my little ginger ass. The school was really cool. It was nice. The class is really well structured. It was 3 days. It was about a half a day of classroom work the first day, followed by half a day of sailing just to get used to the vessel. And then we did probably another half day the next day of classroom work. And then we practiced some maneuvering on Saturday. Then on Sunday we took our written test, and then we did our practicals. I did realize I wanted to get more footage with the GoPro on the boat, but the equipment that I had just wasn't holding up and there was really no place to secure the camera. So my next investment will probably be a much better stationary device for this camera so that I can suction it onto something and have it not go anywhere. But all in all, pretty awesome adventure. Hopefully I'll do a lot more sailing in the future.